Hey everyone, welcome back to my cleaning channel. So it has been a little bit since I've posted a cleaning video. I decided to take a week off of filming for both of my channels and editing, and it was so great. So thank you guys for sticking around. Today I'm bringing you some speed cleaning motivation, and I also shared some little funny moments between my husband and I when we were putting our couch cushions back on. So I really hope you enjoy today's video. Today's video, I am starting outside just by blowing off my driveway, just getting all the sticks and leaves off, and my son wanted to play outside for a little bit, and it's easier for him to ride his scooter and his bike when everything's all clean. So I just quickly blew that driveway off, and then now just taking care of the front porch. As soon as this is done and we play outside for a little bit, we're gonna go in and get the house cleaned up.
I've been through a lot, holding hands while screaming at each other. And I don't know how to start, but I still love you like I do. It breaks my heart, no text, no call.
So, how are y'all doing? It feels like it's been forever since I've posted on this channel. I don't know why it feels like it's been so long. I don't think it's been that long, but it feels like it has been. It's already, every time I post a video, I feel like it's been a while because I only post once a week. But I hope all of you are doing well. Everyone's doing good now, but if you watched my last cleaning video, I believe in there somewhere I talked about how my kids were sick, and I think I said they were getting better, but they got worse. I'm not going to go into too much detail about it just because it is their personal life. But anyway, they were sick for a while. I needed to take a break and focus on taking care of them and then taking care of myself after taking care of them, because y'all know how it is when you have your family sick or not feeling well. It's exhausting. It's like as soon as you sit down, then someone's hollering for you to help them. Like it just was, I was exhausted, just to put it in one word is the best way for me to describe it. And the reason I'm sharing all this with you is because you would be surprised how many comments I get, and people always say like, you have so much energy, I wish I had your energy. And just, sometimes I just want to remind some of you that I'm human. I'm not perfect. Trust me, I don't have all that energy all the time. I need my days too where I just don't do anything. And I also have realized how important it is to take care of myself as well. It's something that I tend to always put on the back burner. I'll have, a few months of the year, I think, where I really focus on me and work hard at taking care of myself more. And then I have, I would say, more months out of the year where I forget how important it is because I'm just so busy taking care of everybody else. It's so hard to make time for myself. And I cannot tell you how important it is to focus on you so that way you can be your best self as well and take care of others better. I mean, I can take care of someone all day, but at the end of the day, if I'm exhausted and I'm not treating myself every now and then or doing things that make me happy, I'm not going to be at my best. And yeah, I know you probably heard this a million times. We see it all the time on the internet, on blog posts, YouTube videos, like take care of yourself so you can take care of others. But it's hard to do that sometimes. Like, when do you have the time? I don't. It's something you have to make a priority. And last week or the week before that, I finally was like, you know what? I'm just not going to film or edit. I'm going to put my phone down and just focus on my family, log off of social media for a few days, even though I didn't completely, but, just not be as active. It has been oh my gosh, it's been so good for me, and I just encourage you guys to do the same if you are feeling a little overwhelmed lately. previous day, my husband took all the couch cushions off of the couch so I could wash them, and they were not fully dry right here, so I was just kind of throwing them over the cushions. But I decided to leave in some footage of us putting these cushions back on later on the next evening, and it was hilarious. These are so hard to get on.
There's the shoes you couldn't find. They were under the cushions. Oh my gosh.
I got this one. Why don't you start on another one? Yeah. I'll do the hardest two.
I can hardly get these in. What do you mean? They smell good. I think it's because my short arms.
Oh, come on.
That's the
Your
problem.
little T-Rex arms. The hell?
I'm almost wrong.
Hey, Gary. What did I do wrong here, fam?
Look. What? Look, this one's gonna have to go here now. What is this?
I don't know what happened.
Look at it! Why does it look like that? What did you do?
I don't know what I did. I'll put this on right now.
Can you imagine being the person who had to put these on to begin with? I mean, that
You're
sucks.
filming us right now?
Yes, that's a job. Ain't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I was filming a cleaning video earlier, but I took a break from it. Oops, sorry, Zoe. She just took it like a champ.
Whew. I got the last one.
This one looks good.
I got the last one.
This one got in there right. We gotta fix that one.
So I got the last one.
Yes.
So you're fixing that one.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait, no.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I can't fix that.
Maybe you put this one on.
Baby. My hands hurt from painting today.
What? No excuse.
Yeah, I am, because it's a valid one.
Good one, easier.
Yeah, good luck.
Way easier than I just did.
Don't knock over my vase. It's hard.
Your vase.
No, wait, hold on, stop. You're already messing up.
Huh?
The round end. You don't have the round part going on first.
What does that mean?
The rounded
I do. Sorry.
edge. No.
It's phone, baby. You can bend
Look at
that.
her.
You didn't see her try to get up there? The camera did it. Or it did. You missed it, no?
You're not supposed to be up here. She said, they're nice and clean now. What you mean? This is nice. Oh, I didn't love you. Okay, you take it too far. Oh, I just messed it up more.
There's a little T-Rex arm.
Mom. Yes. Hey. Hi.
Got it?
Is it
You
going?
fix it?
Is it going? This ain't gonna work.
Yeah.
Good thing you work on.
That's Dylan's job.
Yeah.
Dylan had one job.
Dad.
What's going on here? Yeah, I think you're making it worse.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
So while Dylan finished up those last two cushions, I just took some hot water, Tide, and like a splash of Pine Glow and rubbed the couch cushions down just to clean them a little bit. I usually do this with like dryer sheets. It works really well at doing this too. It just picks up like all the dust and dirt, but every now and then I'll do this just to disinfect them so that way they smell good. Now, I just wanted to put a disclaimer out there. Make sure that you test your couch before you put like any type of cleaner solution on it. You don't want to ruin your couch. I'm just sharing with you what I'm doing. As you can see, my couch is already kind of ruined, especially these two cushions, because my cat dog lays up here all the time, and no matter how many times I fluff them, she still messes them up. So that's why I don't even bother anymore. I just kind of let it be.
I wish.
Down my leg.
What are you doing?
I'm scrubbing the couch. Cleaning it. Look at the water. Isn't that nasty?
Yeah.
Look at the point right in my gloves. The whole point wearing gloves was not to get my hands wet. And I dip my hand.
The next day, I came out to my shed to switch over some laundry. Can you guys believe it? I have been staying on top of it. I am so proud of myself. I know I share this every now and then I'm back to square one, but I am doing pretty good. I've been washing at least one load a day, and as soon as it comes out of the dryer, I try to fold it right away. Although some days I don't want to do it, I do it anyway just so I don't get behind.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high.
After getting all those clothes put away, I moved into my bedroom to make my bed for the first time in like a week. I am terrible about making my bed. I know a lot of you make your beds as soon as you wake up in the morning. It's one of the first chores you do. It's usually the last chore on my mind. As soon as my feet hit that floor, it is go, go, go nonstop all day. So I need to make it more of a priority. When I get up out of bed and I'm sipping on my coffee, maybe I can just come in here and make it, because it does make me happy to look at, especially like throughout the day. When I walk in my room, it just looks so put together when the bed's made. Also, I'm just switching back to the white lamp shade instead. I was trying a different color to see if I liked it, but I did not. And I also added a green quilt to the end of the bed that I recently purchased for a bedroom makeover that I was doing up at the ranch house, but that color did not work in the room, so I ended up just using it in here instead. After my room was all done, I moved outside to clean out my car because it was a disaster. I have been putting this off for weeks and weeks, and finally it's almost Thanksgiving and I want to at least have a clean car. I don't want to be pulling up to family's house, opening these doors, and this be showing. But here I am showing you all over the internet. It makes no sense, I know. But anyway, I'm going to clean this out really quick. What I usually do is I bring a laundry basket outside with me, and anything that belongs in the house, I just pile into that basket, and any of the garbage, I go ahead and toss in a bag. That way it's already separated, I don't have to worry about it, and it's really quick for me to put all this stuff away when I can just wheel that basket around the house and put things where they need to go. As soon as I'm done with this, we are going to head to the car wash. I would usually just shop vac my car at home, but it is up at the ranch house this week, so I ended up having to go to the car wash and just using their vacuums instead.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We live it like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We your type. Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers.
Alright, as soon as my car is all clean, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing Thanksgiving break and week next week. I probably will not see you guys till after Thanksgiving. So, have fun, be safe, and enjoy your family. Thanks again for watching. Bye, y'all.